about what have you been holding in? What's contaminating your body, your spiritual body, that God is trying to get you to get rid of? God is trying to get you to get rid of. What is it? Online, what is it that you need to sneeze out so you can be awakened? You need to sneeze it out so you can come back to life and allow Jesus to breathe the breath of life back in your body and wake you up. The only way you can do it is with 7 sneezes. Some of us used to be alive. Now we're dead. 7 sneezes will get you back to God.